Cosmo Streamer Ultra Edition is everything you're going to need in one tiny little box. In its metal housing, it's super compact and has an integrated 7-inch touchscreen display. You can use it for any social media streaming service. It instantly connects to YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, any other online social media service. Your Cosmo Streamer Ultra Edition comes fully equipped right out of the box with dual licensing, supporting first generation goggles V1, V2, second generation goggles 2, along with Avata and Avata 2. And with further licensing, your Cosmo Streamer Ultra Edition can support all DJI video systems. In the box you'll get a Cosmo Streamer Ultra Edition, a 10-foot USB-C to USB-C cable, a 10-foot micro HDMI to HDMI cable, a 2S to 12S LiPo DC adapter, a tripod mount, and of course, all the fun and the sunshine you can get. You are included 2S to 12S LiPo adapter will give you all day run with larger LiPos or smaller LiPos too. You can ensure all day functionality with larger capacity LiPos. When using Cosmo Streamer, it's important to ensure that you've connected any HDMI device prior to powering on your Cosmo Streamer. Doing so will ensure the highest resolutions available for your HDMI device. If you don't do this, Cosmo doesn't know what resolutions to set and will do so at a lower resolution. So again, please ensure that you are fully connected to whatever HDMI source it is that you wish to display on prior to powering on your Cosmo Streamer. Deploying your Cosmo Streamer Ultra Edition is super simple. All you got to do is get your favorite flying destination. Get your chair set up, get your Cosmo Streamer set up, power on your goggles, tell Jimmy to hold on to socks because he's about to go on a ride of a lifetime. Everybody's going to be floored at what they're about to see. The Cosmo Viewer NG is controller central. In this application, supported on Windows and Macintosh, you're going to configure your API keys, all your display settings, your output settings, your audio settings, your splash settings, your custom logos, your custom videos, and custom audios too. Can the director call the shots? Now he can with Cosmo Streamer Ultra Edition. Can the bride see what the groom looks like on the wedding day? Now she can with the Cosmo Streamer Ultra Edition. How fast is that pace car behind you? How can you tell? Now with the Cosmo Streamer Ultra Edition. What does that property look like inside? Says the real estate owner. Now you can see with the Cosmo Streamer Ultra Edition. Call the shots like a boss with the Cosmo Streamer Ultra Edition.